Greetings and salutations, you to love with the gents, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. One of my newer acquisitions of vintage cocktail books is obviously a recreation. It's called The World's Drinks and How to Mix Them. And you want to show them how we make this cocktail? This thing is compiled by the honorary W.M. Cocktail Boothby, a premier mixologist. And he compiled this stuff in 1890, so it's 2026 now. That's a long time ago. There's a lot of crazy drinks, and someone had to try to figure out how they were put together. The one we're going to do is call it a Mikado Cocktail. Oh, this is always fun. The interesting thing is in a chapter. Can I show them the chapter? Alright, let's try this again without you. This was in a chapter called Seductive American Seductive American Cocktails. We're not getting away without you here, are we? Okay. Let's just make this cocktail and see what happens, right, buddy?
Warning. I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. Now let's make a drink.
Okay, now that my roommate is gone, let's try to make this cocktail. This one's a stir drink, which is not very often we do those on here, but hey, An ounce and a half of cognac. 2 dashes of Angostura. Or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. A Barspoon of Orgeat. And it's mixing time. And this, my friends, is a Mikado Cocktail. Let's see what we got here. Huh, that's definitely interesting. I mean, it's very cognac forward because it's pretty much a cognac old fashioned with the orgeat as your simple syrup, so to speak, and gives it like interesting color. So it's not very sweet if you're expecting that, because a lot of these vintage drinks aren't very sweet compared to modern drinks. Like I say, it's always interesting seeing how the taste of culture has changed over the years. But yeah, that's all right. If you like cognac, I'd say give it a try. You never know. It might be your new favorite drink. Well, in the meantime, you know what to do. Cheers.